welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Kinder Beauty. Little story. I have been getting Kinder Beauty for a while now. I got home from vacation. I'm like, wait, I didn't receive Kinder Beauty this month. This was in January. I was, saying I didn't receive it in December, and I was like, what's going on? So I went onto my account, and apparently the card that I had associated with the account expired, and I had no idea. That's how you know you get too many boxes. When you're missing a box for months on end, because I was actually missing it for like 4 months. That's when you know you get too many boxes, is when you don't miss a box when you're supposed to be getting it. Anyway, I don't know how much this costs. It'll be on the screen. Also, there are a couple of giveaways going on. Those are both linked down below. Let's get into Kinder Beauty. So you open it up and you do get a card with all of the prices. So that is cool. Okay, and this is a coupon code. I'll hold this up here if you guys want to pause that and take note of those. There is that. Let's get into this box. Oh, so I open it up. Sorry. I open it up and this is what I see. The first thing I'm pulling out are eye masks, and they're by 100% pure, and they retail for $7. I'm always down for a good eye mask. Oh, and Kinder Beauty is a vegan, cruelty-free box. Like, that's all they put in. They won't put anything in their box that's not vegan or cruelty-free or things of that nature. I'm feeling a little lost right now. The next thing I am pulling out is this. And it's a nourishing balm to oil. And we got something similar in another box, different packaging, like, Drogon just fell. Different packaging, greens and stuff. I mean, it's like the same design, but it's a different color. I'm using it right now, so I don't remember where I got it from, but let's see. This is LXMI Nilotica Melt, and it retails for $28. This stuff is okay, or at least the other stuff. I haven't opened this. The other stuff is okay. It does feel oily, and it does kind of stay oily for a while. So I don't know. It's not my favorite balm or lotion or cream or anything like that, but I mean, it's okay. It's okay. The next thing I am pulling out is this mini kabuki brush by Bella Pierre, and it retails for $20. I have always felt like Bella Pierre is overpriced. I definitely would not pay $20 for that kabuki brush. I don't even use kabuki brushes. But with that being said, I mean, I don't want to touch the bristles because this will go in a giveaway. But it's small, and I don't know how I would personally use it just because the handle is so tiny. I don't know. I certainly wouldn't pay $20 for it. The next thing I am pulling out is also by Bella Pierre, and it is a mineral blush, and it also retails for $20. Let's take a peek at the color. It's a pretty color. It's a pinky peach. It's pretty, but I will probably just pass that along to one of you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is by Evio, and it is a lip liner, and it retails for $9. And it comes in that shade. Oh, this lighting. I'll probably just pass this along. I have enough lip liners to last me years and years and years. I'll just pass that along to somebody else. And let's see. it looks like the last thing I'm pulling out here is by Little Moon Essentials, and it's Passion Mist, and it retails for $5. And that's what it looks like. It looks like it's just like a travel size. It says Passion Mist is an energizing adventure in spicy sensuality for your body, mind, and soul. This tangerine and cinnamon scented mist enhances any special romantic evening and helps relieve tension for 2. Okay, that's fine. I will use it. I have just kind of felt lost during this video, probably because I haven't recorded in a while, but look, my hair is just, oh my God. All right, you guys, so that was Kinder Beauty. If I felt a little all over the place, I apologize. I'll try to cut all of my confusion out. I don't know, I just kind of feel lost. I haven't sat down and recorded for a while, so I just feeling a little lost today. But I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.